Accounting standards. In this course, we will be explaining accounting standards which are issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The central government, in exercise of powers under Section 211 3C of Companies Rules 2006, in the official gazette, published the following accounting standards. So first is definition and scope of accounting standards in India. Accounting standard 1 is disclosure of accounting policies, which we will be explaining. Accounting standards 2 to accounting standard 6, which may be valuation of inventories, inventory valuation, where we will be explaining different methods of inventory valuations followed. Cash flow statements, what are the cash inflow and cash outflows, and the standards and disclosures applicable to cash flow statements will be explained. Contingencies and events after balance sheet date, we'll see what it is. Net profit or loss and depreciation accounting. From accounting standard 7 to 12, we'll be explaining construction contracts. We will be just touching base with research and development, which is not a standard now. We'll be doing revenue recognition for fixed assets, foreign exchange rates and government grants, of which we'll be probably doing the fixed assets. From accounting standards 13 to 18 are investments, amalgamations, retirement benefits, borrowing costs, segment reporting and related party disclosures. So out of which we will be explaining about borrowing costs and related party disclosures. From accounting standard 19 till 22, we'll be explaining leases and earnings per share. Consolidated financial statements and taxes we may not be explaining. And then there are other accounting standards also. After the explanations on accounting standards, we move to US GAAP, where we will explain qualities and objectives, and we will also be explaining about GAAP organizations. And finally, we'll be explaining traditional and non-traditional methods in transfer pricing, and where we will explain arm's length pricing.